Wasn't recording.
It wasn't recording. Hi there, back again. I'm glad you decided to join me today. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. That would be wonderful. Join our little family and also click on that bell so you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Now that that business is done, I need to tell you that I just did an entire video on this look without hitting record. So there's that, and that was quite disappointing. But if you would like to know what is on my face right now, I can definitely put it in the description box and you can take a look. It is the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, which I love, and it turned out really nice, and I didn't record it. Anyway, moving on. I'm not going to be bitter. I'm just gonna push past it. We're gonna go past it. I also today received my Boxycharm, so we're gonna go ahead and do that video instead. And I did slit the packaging so that we could get it open easier, and we're not making a bunch of noise or getting out giant knives on my channel. So this is August Boxycharm unboxing. Let's see. I do have some wishes for this box, so we shall see if I indeed received the things that I was hoping for. Nope. These aren't the things that I would have hoped for, but still very much worth the money that I paid to have the box this month. So I'm not complaining a bit. I just hope that in the future, I read a few suggestions and a few people that were a bit complaining about their Boxycharm box this month, because we do fill out the surveys, and when asked if I would prefer more skincare or makeup, I believe I put makeup, but I do continue to get skincare. And it looks like we also have some lashes in this box, and I have 9,000 lashes. I do not need any more lashes. So Boxycharm, if you're watching this, which you're not because I'm nobody yet, I don't want any more lashes. I just don't. Okay, enough with the lashes. But I am going to show you what we did get in our box this month. It says Totally Boxycharm, and I have the card right here, which is so wonderful that they provide this card for us. It makes it so much easier. It gives you a little bit about the product and also how much the retail value of the product would be. So first thing I see in the box is from Wander Beauty, and I do enjoy a lot of products from Wander Beauty. So this one I believe is one that everyone got in their box this time, and it is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and it sounds so interesting. Let's read some of the claims and find out what the retail value of that is. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. I definitely want a bouncy, youthful complexion, so give me all that. No matter what skin type you have. That's interesting that this product can work from dry skin to oily skin. So that's the claim anyway. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay, and the retail value of that is $42, and I do believe this is a full-size product. Beautiful packaging. Wander Beauty has beautiful packagings. So let's open it up. It was sealed with a little piece of tape. We'll take that off. It has the same kind of delivery system as my, and it is, nope, it's not coming out until you squeeze it. It doesn't just drip out. So we're going to take a little drop of that. You know I have to sniff everything. I like to smell all my products. Oh, it's very watery. Very, very watery. It does feel like it's already absorbing into the skin. It has a really light spa skincare kind of scent. It's not unpleasant. I like it. It's nice. It's not overpowering. Yeah, I like that. It smells nice. Okay, so that product, definitely looking forward to trying that. And what other product was it that I said? Oh, it was the Pores No More. That was it. They kind of have a very similar dropper on them. So the Touch and Soul one, and then this is the Wander Beauty. So you can see that they're kind of similar in delivery. This component looks very similar. It has 0.84 fluid ounces in it. We'll put the Touch and Soul one away. Okay, so the next thing I see in the box is a Tarte Big Ego mascara. Now, I have this mascara in a smaller version. I don't see it right now, but it came with one of my eyeshadow palettes, the Tarte Unleashed palette, and I have been enjoying it. It's a good mascara. That one is just a deluxe sample. I wouldn't say that it's my favorite mascara of all time, but I do enjoy the mascara. It has beautiful bright pink with gold letter packaging. This is black, and let's see if we can get a better close-up of the wand. It's a nice fluffy wand. Yeah, I've already tried it, so that was one of the things that you could get this, I believe, or another skincare item. So I was kind of looking forward to the other skincare item because it was something that I hadn't tried, but I will still use that mascara, most definitely. So next we have oh wait, I'm sorry, I didn't give you the retail value of that. It doesn't say much about the mascara on the card. It says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. I hope I'm never wearing my mascara for 16 hours. I really don't want to do that. I suppose it could happen. And the retail value of that is $23, and again, that is a full-size product. So already, with the very first Wander product, we're way over what I pay every month for the box. So, considering that those are two products that I would use, obviously it's worth the money, right? The next one that I see in here again are the lashes. These are by Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Instaglam False Lashes. They have a really cute packaging. It's all sparkly and gold around the edges, and then these are the lashes. Now, these are a set of lashes that I would use. They are fluttery and pretty, and I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with the lashes exactly. It's just that I have so many lashes right now that I really just didn't need another pair of lashes, but they will come to good use for sure. It says, elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. So the retail value of those is $15. That's actually not a bad price for a luxury lash. So those will come to good use for sure. Next, I see a skincare item. This is by Pure, and Pure just put out a complete Barbie focused line of items. And I used to collect Barbies. I love Barbies. I just don't need another mask. I am definitely stocked up on masks for quite a while, but I appreciate that I got a piece of the Barbie collection, and the claims for this are: it is created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. This mask is packed with licorice extract. I do not like the smell of licorice at all. So this might have to go to a friend or a relative. Skin nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula, again, I'm not exactly sure that I love having glitter in my skincare. I love glitter. I love it in my makeup, but it's not something that I would choose to get in my skincare. It helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy looking glow that lasts. And the retail value of that is $26. And again, that is a full size product. It has 2 full ounces in there. So we're gonna open it up. Let's take a look at this. Let's see if it indeed smells like black licorice, because that is not my favorite scent. It is the brightest Barbie pink I've ever seen in a skincare item. Let's see if you can see that. Do you see how bright pink that is? Yep. And it does have glitter, but it's not chunky, huge glitter. It's very, very, very tiny pieces of glitter. Very, very pink. And you know what? It doesn't have a licorice scent, which is good. I will be more likely to use it because it doesn't have a licorice scent. I just don't understand the glitter in a peel-off mask. I don't get it, but that's okay. I will probably at least try this once and let you know how that turns out. But it will get used for sure. And then the last item in my box is from Becca, and this is another one that everyone got. I believe if you didn't get this, there was another skincare item. There were also some boxes, I believe, that had a lip liner. You could get a lip liner, and I'm not sure what the other items were. I had them up, try and bring them up on my phone, because I was just looking at it before the box arrived. So, let's see. Oh, right. You could have gotten the Glimmer eyeshadow set. It was a set of 2 eyeshadows from Ace Beauté, which I was really looking forward to. I haven't tried that brand of eyeshadow yet, and I was looking forward to that. So, there are some Boxycharm swap sites that you can go on, and I believe there's a Facebook group too. If you're not really happy with the things that you got and you're not sure if you're going to use them, maybe you don't have anyone else to give them away to, or maybe you just don't want to. Some of these sites, they're willing to swap out products with other people. Probably I would not be able to do that now because I opened everything, but I wasn't planning on swapping them out. But if there was something in the box that you really wanted to give a try, you could just probably straight up buy it from someone on those sites. So yeah, you could get, what was trying to find the company. Oh, it's called Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, I believe. No, that's the Glow Ahead from Wander. They don't have it listed on here. I can see the product in the picture, but they didn't list on there. Here we go. Peach and Lily is the company, and that was a glass skin refining serum. So I probably would have rather have that than the Big Ego mascara, only because I've already tried this, and it's good. It's just not my favorite mascara ever. So I would have liked to try that glass skin serum, but you know, you don't always get to choose with these kinds of boxes. It's a surprise, and that's part of the fun, is not knowing what's coming in your box. So, you know, some months you get everything you want, and some months you might not, but it is always definitely worth the value. So let's open up this Becca product, and it says this is the Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin. That sounds really cool. I think we're gonna have to open this up and try it. For a seamless finish and comfortable feel, and the retail value of this is $39, and it is a full-size product. It has 0.35 ounces in it, or 10 grams. So let's open this up and check it out. Their packaging is beautiful. I've already got fingerprints all over it, but the front is a beautiful, like, mirrored silver. I know it's blocking the and then open it up, It says keep me closed to keep me cool. And it's got a little lid that covers the sifter, and then of course there is a sticker on the inside to keep the powder from going everywhere in shipment. So we're going to go ahead and take that off. Oof, there's already a lot of powder up in the sifter. So it's kind of a net type sifter. I'm going to close it up and tap it a few times, maybe get some of that powder to go back down so we don't make a giant mess. The sifter is easy to open. It's got a little tab. It's easy to pull up, and then you have the sifter inside, and I like that. It's a nice delivery system. It's a good component for the powder. So I'm just going to take a, this is their e.l.f. highlighting brush, but I use it for powder under my eyes usually. It's a perfect shape and size to get right under my eyes. Tap off a little of that powder and let's give it a try. Close the box. Oh my gosh, that's not made up. It feels wet. It actually feels wet when it goes on your skin. That is so cool. Mama needs some hydration under the eyes all the time. Wow, that is so weird. I am definitely gonna have to let you know how this works out, but I really like the way it feels on the skin for sure. It just feels extremely hydrating. Wow. A little bit on the chin. First impression, very impressed with that product. That is really cool. I'm going to be taking that out to show my daughters and my husband, because that's I've never seen anything like it. It's very unique, that's for sure. I'll let you can't speak. I'll let you know how I get on with that product, but first impressions, love it. That's really neat. And it did a really nice job of mattifying under the eyes without feeling like all the life's being sucked out of me. I can't wait to use that one more, so that was great. That was the last product in our box, so that does it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I should be getting my Allure box very soon. That's the other box that I get once a month. And also our Universal Yums, which is a snack kind of a box that I got for my daughters as a Christmas gift, and we've really been enjoying that as a family, so I'm going to try to vlog that video, vlog that opening, I'm sorry, for my channel. We'll see how it goes. I believe the Fall Fab Fit Fun should be coming within the next month, I think. I did get to make my selections for the things that I was allowed to choose for my box, so they should be shipping out fairly soon. Thank you so much for being here to see my Boxycharm unboxing. I apologize if there were extra noises. My air conditioner is running. It is hot today, so you may hear that hum in the background. I'm not sure. And we'll let Mr. Rex, my husband, who's the editor, take care of that. I'll just keep making videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, please, and also ring that bell so you'll get notified when I do make an upload. And follow me on Instagram at Christine_Elaine72. I do things over there. I hope everyone is happy and healthy wherever you might be today. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Well, that one recorded.